One of my favorite shows from my old country is Writer's Row. Every episode is about the glamorous turmoil of one writer's life. How can you not like that? Let's tune in. Welcome to Writer's Row.
I am a writer. No, not a writer of wrongs, but a writer.
Yeah.
Sometimes I make mistakes, but from my mistakes I learn. No, I mean learn. See, I learn. I have had many rejections. Many people have said I stink.
Ooh.
No, not me personally. I think but my writing. Nevertheless, I bathe twice daily. I think my writing is improving. Yesterday, a lady at the supermarket complimented me on my shopping list that I had written. I had written milk, bread, cheese. It was not one of my better lists, but it was okay. She told me she liked how simply I had arranged my desired items and thought ending it with cheese was a very appropriate comment for our times. I thanked her for her compliment. I then got the hell out of there before she lured me out to her car and killed me. Hi. No, none of this really happened. I've made it all up. No compliments on my shopping list. No woman giving me literary criticism for my cheese ending. Why did I add this drama? To be or not to be? Because I am writer.
Yeah.
The end. No, not the end, but the beginning.
Yeah,